Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, the channel where we bring you the best automotive upgrades, reviews, and tips to take your ride to the next level. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best coilovers for Nissan Altima. Whether you want better handling, a lowered stance, or just a smoother ride, we've got you covered. From premium adjustable kits to budget-friendly options, we'll help you pick the perfect suspension upgrade for your Altima. So, let's get started. Number 5. Speedingrods Coilovers. The Speedingrods Gold Preset Damping Coilovers are built for Nissan Altima Sedan L32, 2007 to 2012, Altima Coupe D32, 2008 to 2013, and Maxima Sedan A35, 2009 to 2014. Unlike fully adjustable kits, this one comes with preset damping that balances comfort and performance right out of the box, making it easier for drivers who don't want to spend time fine-tuning settings. These coilovers are fully height adjustable, giving your Altima a sleek, lowered stance while still maintaining ride quality. Users mention that the preset damping feels firm but not harsh, making it well suited for everyday driving. The suspension improves cornering stability and reduces body roll, giving the car a more planted feel on the road. This kit is especially popular among Altima owners who want a simple, install-and-go solution without the complexity of multiple adjustments. While advanced tuners may prefer more customizable options, this setup is reliable and user-friendly for most drivers. Number 4. Speedingrods Coilovers. The Speedingrods Blue T6 coilovers are an upgraded suspension kit designed for Nissan Altima, 2007 to 2013, and Maxima, 2009 to 2014. What makes this version stand out is the T6 aluminum construction, which provides improved durability and lighter weight compared to standard kits. This helps reduce overall vehicle weight while increasing suspension response. These coilovers feature 24 levels of damping adjustment, allowing you to fine-tune comfort versus performance. Many drivers mention that once properly set, the ride is smoother on highways while still sharp enough for spirited driving. The height adjustment system also lets you achieve a lower, more aggressive stance without sacrificing too much comfort. Owners who have tested these coilovers appreciate the balance between affordability and premium-like features. While it's not as refined as high-end brands, the T6 upgrade ensures better longevity and performance, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious enthusiasts who still want an enhanced driving experience. Number 3. OCPTY Coilovers Suspension Kit. The OCPTY Coilovers Suspension Kit is a solid choice for Nissan Altima, 2007 to 2015, and Maxima, 2009 to 2014, owners seeking a reliable suspension upgrade at a budget-friendly price. Designed with full height adjustability, this kit lets you drop your ride for a more aggressive look while improving handling performance. Drivers report that the OCPTY coilovers noticeably reduce body roll and make cornering feel tighter compared to stock suspension. For daily driving, the ride quality is comfortable enough, though slightly firmer than OEM. Many customers like that the kit holds up well over time, with less sagging compared to cheaper alternatives. This option works best for drivers who want better stability and control without paying premium prices. It's not as advanced as higher-end brands with multiple damping settings, but for the money, it provides excellent value. Overall, OCPTY is a practical suspension upgrade for both daily commuters and entry-level enthusiasts. Number 2. Speedingrods Coilover. The Speedingrods Gold Coilovers are a great mid-range option for Nissan Altima, 2007 to 2013, and Maxima, 2009 to 2014, drivers who want adjustability without breaking the bank. With 24 levels of damper adjustment, these coilovers let you customize ride stiffness to match your driving needs, whether cruising through the city or pushing hard on winding roads. One standout feature is the height adjustability, which allows you to lower your Altima for a sportier stance while maintaining ride comfort. Customers often highlight the sharp look after installation, paired with solid handling improvements. Many reviewers also appreciate that, despite the affordable price, the build quality feels sturdy and durable for long-term use. These coilovers are ideal for enthusiasts who want better handling and style but don't necessarily need track-level performance. Some users report that the ride can feel firm on rough roads, but overall, it strikes a good balance for daily driving and spirited runs. Number 1. D2 Racing RS Coilovers. The D2 Racing RS Coilovers are a premium choice for Nissan Altima, 2007 to 2018 owners, also compatible with Maxima, 2009 to 2021. With 36 levels of damping adjustment, these coilovers allow you to fine-tune both comfort and performance. Enthusiasts love how responsive the suspension feels, especially when cornering at higher speeds. The kit features monotube shocks with independent ride height adjustment, so you can lower your Altima without sacrificing travel. Many buyers mention that the D2 Racing Kit provides a race car feel while still being comfortable enough for daily driving. It's an excellent balance for drivers who want both track-ready handling and everyday usability. While the price is on the higher end, the durability and precision engineering justify the investment. If you're serious about performance and want long-lasting suspension upgrades, this is one of the best options. That wraps up our list of the best coilovers for Nissan Altima. We've covered everything from premium D2 Racing RS Coilovers to budget-friendly Speedingrads kits, so no matter your driving style or budget, there's a perfect choice for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Automotive Widgets, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future automotive reviews and guides. Also, check out the links in the description below to grab your coilover kit directly from Amazon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.